Welcome to SoulQuest. Today, we're going to share some amazing psychological techniques that will help you learn how to read someone's mind and heart in just seconds, without them saying a single word. You'll be able to detect what's going on in their mind, whether they're telling the truth or lying, just like an FBI secret agent. Plus, you'll be able to master communication skills that can turn you into a pro in understanding body language. Let's get started. Mastering eye contact. They say eyes are the windows to the soul because they reveal what words cannot express. Good eye contact shows trust and interest and signals that the person is truly listening to you. On the other hand, looking away frequently can indicate dishonesty or lack of interest. Have you ever noticed that someone's pupils change size during a conversation? When a person is feeling good, their pupils expand, and when they are uncomfortable, they contract. By observing someone's pupils, you can tell what's going on in their mind. If you want to know if someone is telling the truth, wait for them to finish speaking, then stay silent and look them in the eyes. If they start looking around nervously, it's likely they're lying. This is a technique often used by FBI agents to catch criminals in lies. Power of a handshake. A good handshake speaks volumes. Not too tight, not too loose, it shows confidence and a strong personality. A weak handshake, however, reveals nervousness or a lack of interest. When you meet someone, pay attention to how they shake hands. If their grip is weak, it may indicate low confidence or disinterest. Smiles and eye contact also play a crucial role in establishing a good first impression. Proximity and personal space. Have you ever noticed someone leaning in closer during a conversation? If they're moving closer, it could mean they're comfortable with you or they're interested in you. However, if someone invades your personal space, closer than 18 inches, it might make you feel uncomfortable. Depending on who it is, you may enjoy it or not. If you're interested, you can stay put. If not, feel free to take a step back. Understanding nods. Nodding is a subtle gesture, but one that carries a lot of meaning in communication. A slow nod shows agreement, while faster nodding indicates the listener is trying to understand or is eager to respond. According to a study published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior, nodding reflects different levels of engagement and comprehension. Crossed arms, defensive posture. When someone crosses their arms in front of their chest, it's a subconscious response that indicates they're feeling defensive or uncomfortable. They might be protecting themselves from something they don't agree with or find threatening. If you notice this gesture, it might be time to change the subject or lighten the mood. Fidgeting, signs of nervousness. Fidgeting is a clear sign of nervousness or discomfort. Whether it's tapping their foot, playing with their hair, or fiddling with their fingers, these small movements indicate that the person is anxious. When emotions build up inside, people often release them through such behaviors. Recognizing these signs can help you gauge the other person's emotional state. Walking style. A person's walking style can say a lot about their confidence level. Someone walking with their head down, taking small steps, may be nervous or lacking confidence. In contrast, a confident person will walk with their head held high, shoulders back, and take long strides. Posture. A person's posture is also important. Someone standing or walking with their shoulders back and head held high shows confidence, while slouched shoulders and a downcast gaze indicate low self-esteem or sadness. A study published in 2010 in the Journal of Social Psychology showed that good posture can make you appear more confident and in control. Facial expressions, unlocking emotions. Facial expressions are one of the most powerful tools of communication. Just like eye contact, people's facial expressions can convey emotions that words cannot. If you can read facial expressions, you can understand someone's emotions, thoughts, and intentions. Psychologist Paul Ekman's research has shown that you can detect happiness, surprise, anger, and other emotions just by observing someone's facial expressions. Respecting time. How someone treats time says a lot about their personality. Punctuality reflects a person's values, priorities, and commitment. On the other hand, someone who is always late may struggle with time management or have less respect for others' time. Recognizing these patterns can help you understand and build trust with them. Tone of voice. person's tone of voice, including pitch and pacing, reveals their emotional state, confidence level, and even background. A slower, lower-pitched voice often indicates calmness and dominance, while a higher, faster-paced voice can signal anxiety or excitement. Clothing, the first impression. People often say the first thing others notice about you is your shoes, but that's not entirely true. Truth is, the first thing people notice is your clothing because it covers most of your body. The way you dress, the colors you choose, and how you style your clothes reveal a lot about your personality, values, and even your professional life. So, as you continue your journey with SoulQuest, take these psychological tips and apply them in your daily life to read people like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Thanks for watching.